Are you having a non-functional pelvic floor where you have difficulty relaxing and contracting to give you support if you have prolapse, or if you have very tight pelvic floor that causes pain during intimacy and you want to have this functional pelvic floor? Hi, my name is Annie and welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. In this video, I'll be discussing the harmony and importance of breath work and connecting to your pelvic floor to be more functional, and the importance of proper lengthening and strengthening of your pelvic floor, mind-body awareness together with breath work, not just Kegels, which is you can have thousands of Kegels, but there's no relaxation. And guess what happens? Then you still have a non-functional pelvic floor. In this video, I'll be demonstrating a lovely wall Pilates together with ankle weights and elastic band to engage your hip external rotators. And we want to strengthen your chest muscles as well to help your upper body strength, your arms and shoulders while lying on your back, and the foam roller that will help you increase the instability to promote stability. So when you challenge yourself with instability from your lower body on the ground to strengthen your toes and your feet and ankle, guess what happens? Your pelvic floor gets stronger in a different body mechanic way. That's why when you run and jump and you don't have the strength on your small intrinsic muscles on your toes and feet, sometimes without that support, all the pressure goes to your pelvic floor. That's why you have that stress or urge incontinence. It's not just because of weak bladder. There's a connection on your toes, on your ankles. So let's begin the program. We're going to start lying on your back. Find a place in your home where you can lie down. So in this video, you'll be needing ankle weights, elastic band, a wall in your home, and foam roller. So your pelvic floor symptoms will improve, not just doing Kegels, as I said earlier, but doing moves like this one with Pilates, yoga, and physical therapy that help my pelvic floor and thousands of women who's been following my program online from my different social platform that you can check out. And I've not only healed my pelvic floor, but I've guided thousands of women do the same by breaking the idea that isolating the pelvic floor muscles is the key to improvement. Here's a reality check. Our pelvic floor muscles doesn't work in isolation. It needs to be together with the other muscle groups. And we call that Kegels neglect. You can't neglect just doing Kegels exercises because there should be an harmony between your diaphragm and your pelvic floor as you breathe in and breathe out like a pistol, up and down together. And if you're not breathing properly and not engaging it, then you're just isolating again your pelvic floor. And together with the hip movements, we're going to engage those deeper hip external rotators, internal rotators, and glutes that will help as a foundation for your pelvic floor. And if you're so tight on those areas, then what happens to your pelvic floor? It gets really tight and not functional. So let's begin the program. We're going to use the ankle weights for your upper body actually, and you can use dumbbells as well, hand goods. And we're going to place the elastic band around your thighs to engage a tiny movement for isometric on your hip external rotators. So let's lie down on your back. If you're very tight on your hamstrings, you can be a few inches off the wall. But for those who can come closer, you can be a few inches off the wall or really close. For me, I like it a little bit far, like 6 inches, because the foam roller is like 6-inch diameter. Depends on the width, the diameter size of your foam roller. So we're going to start warming up by extending your legs and extending your elbows. So when you do that, you're engaging your core muscles, not just your chest and legs. So breathe out, making sure, as I said, with the breath work, as you bend your knee, inhale, when I increase that lateral rib cage. And then you're going to feel your diaphragm expanding and your pelvic floor being rested as you expand your belly. So you have more space for your pelvic floor to be lifted. So as you bend your knees, bend your elbows, inhale, exhale, extend. Breathe in as you slowly bend. And then exhale, extend. We have 4 more. Breathe in, bend as much as you can. So that's why this is so important for your toes and ankles. belly rise, and then zip it up. As you zip it up, which means from your lower abdominal muscles, you're zipping it up towards your navel to really engage your abdominal muscles on the lower part, so you're not pushing against your pelvic floor. Because when you start from the top, you're going to push down to your pelvic floor. You want to lift the pelvic floor by zipping it up to tighten your abdominal muscles. Again, inhale, and then zip it up, exhale, press, and extend. 2 more. And exhale. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Well done. Now we are going to do some bridging with the challenge of the foam roller to really feel the instability to engage your pelvic floor. So as you lift your hips up, so your knees are a little bit 90 degrees. You squeeze your core in, belly button to your spine. And then if it's difficult to press up, you can keep your hands on your side. But for those who want a challenge, press your hands up, zip it up, belly button to your spine, and then slowly roll down bone to the mat as you lower your back and lower your hands towards your chest and breathe out. And then the foam roller goes down as well. So inhale, exhale up, a little bit glide on the foam roller, and then zip it up, exhale down. 2 more, inhale, exhale, zip it up, squeeze as hard as you can, and once you reach up, breathe in again, belly rise, expand your rib cage, and then zip it up, and then roll down bone to the mat. Last one, inhale, belly rise, rib cage flare, zip it up and lift. Inhale, exhale down. Well done. The next progression is we're going to hip thrust and butterfly stretch. So inhale, belly rise, zip it up and lift. And once you reach that area, inhale again, belly rise, zip it up. And then we're going to do butterfly. Open your knees out as much as you can and open your arms to the side and breathe out. And then inhale, back center, exhale down. We have 3 more. Inhale, lift, press up, exhale, open. Inhale, back center, exhale down. We have 2 more, my friends. Inhale, press up, lift, zip it up, exhale, open. Your knees out and your arms out to the side. Inhale, back center, belly rise, zip it up, exhale down. Last one. Lift, zip it up, open, inhale, exhale, roll down, bone to the mat. Well done. The last exercise that I'm going to show you to help engage and stabilize your pelvic floor and help lengthen is lift again, extend one leg. So I'm extending my left and then open to a V stretch to the side, center, back to the foam roller with your knee bend, and then extend your right, open as much as you can, control, center, back to the foam roller and roll down bone to the mat. 4 more, inhale, bridge, extend your leg, open to the side. You can open your arm as well. You'll feel more challenge, center, bend, roll down, and bridge. Extend your right, open, center, bend back to the foam roller, roll down, lower your hands down to your chest. 2 more. Exhale as you press and lift. Extend your leg, inhale, exhale, open, inhale, center, exhale, lower your foot down to the foam roller, roll down, inhale, belly rise and lift, bridge, extend your leg, open to the side, center, bend, roll down. Last one. Extend, open, control. We're not using momentum. We're using control of movement gently. Press up. Extend as you breathe out. Inhale, exhale, open. Center, bend, and roll down. Now we are cooling down now. Let go of the foam roller. Now you can come closer to the wall. You can place now the ankle weights around your ankles. So this will help your muscles to get stronger on your lower body, especially your hip abductors and adductors. At the same time, really give you a deeper stretch with the utilizing gravity and weight of the ankle weights for a deeper stretch. So now as I come closer to the wall, with your hands up, inhale, toes pointing away, curl your toes as hard as you can, open to V stretch. Breathe out, squeeze your core in, belly button, zip it up. Inhale, back center. Tighten your core as much as you can. Center, belly rise, zip it up, open. So you're gonna feel the elastic band and the ankle weights. You're gonna target different muscle groups all the way up. 2 more. Last one. And then once you reach that V stretch, you're gonna bend your knee, slide it over, so you're gonna feel a deeper stretch in your hip groin area as you breathe out. Inhale, extend, bend. 4 more as we slowly cool down. 2 more. Last one, my friends. And then close your knees together, and that's it. I'm hoping you enjoyed this beautiful harmonious movement together with the wall and the elastic band, the foam roller to strengthen your deep core muscles. Great for absolute beginners if you're postpartum, or if you are perimenopausal, menopausal women and you needed that support, you're in a weak, a tight pelvic floor, or you have trauma and you needed that connection again, and you feel like your pelvic floor is not connecting, then it's time to slowly heal yourself. And if you need my help and guidance, I'll be closing my Revive Pelvic Floor Health very soon. So if you want to be part of this small, intimate class, postpartum women, or those who are many years ago, it's not too late to revive your pelvic floor health. Click on the link on the description below. Be part of my class. The registration is now open and it's be closing very soon as I'm reaching the top limit of my number of students I would love to be part of, because I like it small and intimate so I can guide you safely and effectively. So I'll see you inside the class. If you have more time today, I have this episode 1 about Revive Pelvic Floor Health to learn more about core back immersion, and episode 2 to learn the proper breath work that we discussed in the beginning. I'll see you in my next video training. Always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. Bye!